Hey guys, so how you actually get, I know there's a lot of issues, or personally I found issues that took me a while to find this to get the head unit flush inside of a FRS or BRZ or whatever you have. What I personally did was I chopped off with a pair of kitchen scissors, heavy duty scissors. I'd say be really careful, but what I did was I cut off this part so this part could fit with the Metra dash kit. So the Metra dash kit I actually bought was this one, which is a Toyota Scion multi-kit. It is brand new, so it's 95-820-202, sorry. And yeah, all I did was cut it off, put the screw here, really sturdy, same with here, cut it off right about here, you can see that, use some scissors, and now looks a little more flush. And my cousin is here. Anyways, I'll get back to you when I install the dash kit. Here's the head unit back in. It looks so much better. Like without these empty holes and stuff. So yeah, if you want to learn how to install aftermarket head unit, just leave a like and a comment, subscribe, and I'll teach you guys how to do it. Thanks guys.